Hello to all. Bonjour tous. Welcome back to our channel where we make language learning easy and fun. I'm Ankita here and today we are going to learn some very essential French dialogues for everyday situations. These phrases will help you navigate daily interactions with confidence. First of all, let's learn how to order something at a cafe. This is a common situation, so it's great to know the right phrases. Bonjour, je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. I would like a coffee, please. Combien ça coûte? How much does it cost? Combien ça coûte? So now repeat after me. Bonjour, je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. Combien ça coûte? Now let's learn how to ask for directions. This can be very helpful when you are exploring a new city. Excusez-moi, où est la gare? Excuse me, here is the train station. Pouvez-vous m'aider? Can you help me? Now repeat after me. Excusez-moi, où est la gare? Pouvez-vous m'aider? Now let's move on to shopping. Whether you are buying clothes or souvenirs, these phrases will come in handy. Combien ça coûte? How much does it cost? Avez-vous cette taille? Do you have this size? Now repeat after me. Combien ça coûte? Combien ça coûte? Avez-vous cette taille? Finally, let's learn how to make a reservation at a restaurant or hotel. Bonjour, je voudrais faire une réservation pour 2 personnes. Hello, I would like to make a reservation for 2 people. À quelle heure? At what time? Now repeat after me. Bonjour, je voudrais faire une réservation pour 2 personnes. À quelle heure?